y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Shataria, but y'all know I go by Shay, and welcome to Shady Shay. So today we're back with another hair review. So y'all know I wait till the middle of the video to reveal what product it is that we're trying out today. So y'all know that quit playing. So I've already washed my hair and freshly deep conditioned my hair, and here I'm just showing y'all what the curls look like. I'm going in with my Creme of Nature Argan Oil leave-in conditioner because baby, it is bomb. I love that leave-in conditioner, honey. Love it. Back to the deep conditioner that I used today. I did use do I want to reveal the name? I'm gonna wait because I might do a review on that deep conditioner, but let me just go ahead and tell y'all this now. It was trash, baby. It was trash. My hair has never felt so dry. It has never looked so dull, and baby, I had tangles. I don't ever really have like actual tangles, actual knots in my hair, baby. The hair was in last place. Let me just be the first to tell you. Okay, so now moving on, to go ahead and clip half your hair up and the other half leave it down because we're going to go ahead and detangle the hair. Now, I struggled a little bit with this because like I told y'all before, that deep conditioner that I use, baby, never again. So y'all see me pretty much starting at the roots and working my way up. That is the way to detangle your hair, guys. Please do not start at your roots and try to force that comb down because you're gonna pull your hair out. And baby, we want our hair. We want our hair in 2023. We're not pulling our hair out, okay? Quit playing. So before we go in with the product that we're reviewing today, I like to always use water to spray my hair down because I don't know, I just feel like applying product to dry hair, it doesn't work for me. It may work for you. It just never works for me. So I like to go in with damp hair. Doesn't have to be super wet, but at least damp, baby. At least damp. Okay. And child, I don't know why I didn't put my contacts in because I should have known better. You cannot do your hair with glasses. It's just, maybe y'all can. I can't. Look at the water on it, child. Alright y'all, so here's the star of the show. We're doing the Creme of Nature with Argan Oil, Flexible Styling Snot. Baby, I had to side eye this product because I was a little nervous. I haven't used gel like in my hair for a wash and go in so long, so I really didn't know what to expect. But baby, look how thick that product was. Oh my goodness. And then look how I'm putting my hands together. I had to smell it because baby, what? I was scared. So, I always tell you guys to apply the product to your root first. Baby, don't forget them roots. Do not forget those roots because what you don't want is for the rest of your hair to be all nice and curly and shiny and defined, and then your roots is puffy like the clouds. Baby, no, that ain't cute. If that's the look that you're going for, I guess, but we're not doing it over here. So don't forget those roots, boo-boo. So the same way that we applied the product on the other side, we're going to do the same thing to this side, boo. Start with the roots and work your way down, honey. So at this point, I was looking at my hair and I was like, okay, I think I like this product because, baby, the curls was defined. My hair was feeling really good. I had to actually turn the bottle over, like look at the back of the bottle and look at it and be like, okay, what's all in here? Because I think I really like this product. But boy, was I wrong. So by the time I got to this point of doing my hair, I started to become skeptical because, I'm pushing my hair down. I'm trying to get my roots, but the back of my hair, I noticed that it was kind of hard. Like, y'all know back in the day when your mom used to do your hair, she used to put that black gel on your hair and you spritz and your hair be real hard and crunchy. That's how the back of my hair was feeling. So I was like, oh my God, it's like, is it going to soften up, Like, I had all kind of thoughts in my head, but I was like, let me remain optimistic, because, child, it might turn out to be a bum wash and go, you just never know. So just see it all the way through. You got to see it through, my boy. You got to see it through. Baby, look at those edges, y'all. Let's just say a prayer for my edges. We're going to pray that they come back because they keep embarrassing me. They keep embarrassing me, and I just really can't take it. So, okay, anywho, back to the video, child. I went ahead and used my comb to kind of comb my hair through just because that product was real thick. So I was like, okay, let me comb it through and make sure I got every strand. But y'all can see it in my face. I was nervous. Oh, the edges. Okay, bye. Now, since this is my first time using this product, normally I would have air dried my hair just to see how the product behaves. But I was getting ready to go to a pool party, honey, and I really needed my hair to come on with it. I didn't have time for the air dry stuff. So I went ahead and pulled out my blow dryer, put the heat on medium heat, and pretty much just kind of held my hair together. Not Be careful not to mess up your curls, baby. We want those curls to be clumped, okay? So just kind of, you know, guide the hair while you blow drying it. Anywho, so at this point is where I realized, okay, yeah, I ain't gonna like this product, because now that I'm drying my hair started to feel like, yeah, have y'all ever used Afro G protein treatment? You know how you supposed to dry your hair after you put that treatment in your hair? Baby, that's exactly what my hair felt like. Baby, it was a hard crunch. The curls, you know that lady on TikTok when she was like, my hair, it don't move. My hair, I think that's how it goes. Baby, that was me. That was me. Y'all, my hair was so rock hard that I couldn't even go in and do my baby edges. I mean, what baby edges? I couldn't even do my baby hairs. Like, child, this is a moment of truth right here. Why did I knock on my hair like that? Look at it, y'all. My hair is so stringy because, like, literally, I couldn't do nothing with that. Nothing. So I went ahead and used my Cantu Super Shine hair silk. Y'all know I'm really not picky about any type of hair shine, hair silk, any of that. I feel like they all do the same thing. So whatever you got in your cabinet, girl, use that. Usually when you put a shine on your hair or a silk, it like kind of softens it a little bit. Baby, not this product. Oh, baby, no. Baby, nope. Nope. Look at me. I was so mad because I really wanted to like this product. Look at my hair. Baby, I have to look at the back of the bottle again because I know you lying. Oh, maybe I need to go in with more oil. Because what? Baby, no. Y'all, if y'all look where my part is, when I tell you it was rock hard, I couldn't do nothing. Like, the only thing that I could do was wash this mess right on out my head when I got through. Well, luckily, I was going to a pool party. So, baby, I just put this head under the water. Sure did, because look at that. So, what I would suggest if you're interested in this product, I think if you have, like, thicker hair, maybe this will work for you, because it would definitely tame it if that's your issue. If you're having a hard time taming your hair, maybe you can use this and maybe it'll work out for you. But for me, I don't have thick hair. It may look thick, but it's definitely not. The hair is very thin. It's very much thin. So yeah, this product didn't work for you, girl. Like, I was so, look at me, y'all. I was so messed up about this because I'm like, dang, am I gonna put this review out? You know, baby, I was so desperate. I done poured the darn oil in my head. Y'all, I really went back and forth in my head on whether or not if I was going to put this video out, because, you know, I didn't want to down talk any product. But then again, I have to stay true to myself, and I have to stay true to my audience and give y'all real life reviews, you know, and every review is not going to be good. And that right there, I was just showing y'all how I couldn't even do my edges because, baby, they was glued to my skin, okay? So, whoo, child, I was struggling. I thought about washing my hair and just redoing it again. Maybe could have done something different, but child, I just said forget it. It is what it is. I'm gonna always be my authentic self with you guys, give y'all the real deal. And yeah, this just wasn't the best for me. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you haven't already, girl, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe, okay? And let's chit chat in the comment section below. And until next time, guys, I will see y'all in my next vlog. Bye.